Hi friends, today I am unboxing one order which I got from AliExpress. I ordered this one on October 24th and it was shipped on November. So I got it yesterday, so I am trying to unbox this on this video. So it's a earbuds which have a case also, so we can charge it on the case and we can charge it on separately also. So it's looks like a good option. It costs less than 300 rupees from AliExpress. Yeah, so you can see all the features here. So they are saying that it will get to it will get charged within 2 hours and we can use it with a 100% charge. So let's uh, try to unbox this one. Yeah. Yeah, so pause it if you want to read the readme and read it. Not sure why the light is not blinking when I'm pressing that switch. Yeah, so in this one we have two earbuds. We can charge using this case. Yeah, it looks pretty big, but it's okay for this price. So let's charge this one. So we can see that the light is blinking. Yeah, now let's try to pair to a phone. So I will turn on Bluetooth and we'll turn on the uh, earpods also. We have one switch here, so I am pressing that one. So one light is blinking there. Yeah, it's shown I7S in my phone. So just trying to pair. Yeah, one pop came and I'm clicking on pair. So yeah, it's got connected very quickly. So it's saying that it have 100% charge and it is connected. So let's try to play some music. Yeah, yeah, actually, yeah, it is uh, working fine. So yeah, you can hear the music from this earbud. Let's try to pair the other one also. So the same procedure. So if I'm just turning on, it is automatically pairing with the device, which is automatically paired, which is already paired with the other earbuds. So both earbuds are playing the same song. If I want, I can use one of these, or I can use both together. No, yeah, everything is looks fine. So anyway, AliExpress is banned in India from November, so we cannot order anything from that. I have created one video about that. The link is given above. Yeah, anyway, this looks like a good option, and uh, if you want to buy, then we don't have any option for that. So yeah, there is while charging I can see that light. I'm not sure why that button is not working for this case. I'm not sure why it is not working. Anyway, for uh, less than 300 rupees, it is more than enough for me. Yeah, Yeah, so thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.